Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the double-sided poster mockup in Pixlr. Just go to pixlr.com in any web browser and then double-click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then click Open Image to open the mockup off your computer. And depending on which one you purchased, you may have different backgrounds. Just pick the image you want to use. It's going to ask us if we want to size it down. We'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And then I'm going to click this little icon in the square where the lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then we'll click Add Media, browse your own files to open the design off the computer. I'm just going to press Control- to zoom out, and then we'll click and drag any of the four corners to size the design down. You can just click and drag to kind of move it in place. And now this has I'll press Control+ to zoom in so you can see it, and it would be Command+ on a Mac. This has kind of a white background, and the poster is an off-white background. So to make it look a little more natural, click the three-dot icon in the upper right-hand corner of the thumbnail icon in the Layers panel. Make sure it's the image of your design and not the image of the mockup. And then I'll open up the layer menu, and you just want to change None under Blend Mode to Multiply. And that'll knock out the white background and make it look a little more natural. And then we can do the same thing for the other poster. Just click Add Media, browse your own files. Find the design. Press Control or Command- to zoom out. Click and drag any of the four corners to resize. And I'm going to click on the three-dot icon to open the layer menu again and change Blend Mode from None to Multiply. And that's all there is to adding your design to the double-sided poster mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a great day.